Want to fix GitHub not sending verification code? This video will show you the simple tricks to log back into your account. Let's dive in. First things first, if GitHub isn't sending a verification code, it's usually a temporary glitch with your internet or an issue with your contact information. Now let's start with the basics. Check your spam or junk folder in your email. Sometimes these important emails get filtered. Also, ensure your phone has a strong network signal if you're waiting for an SMS code. Next, try to resend the code multiple times, waiting a minute or two between attempts. If prompted, try requesting the code via a different method, e.g., email instead of SMS, or vice versa, if available. Ensure your contact information on your GitHub account is up to date. Try logging in to github.com, if you can, perhaps via a different device, and verify your registered email and phone number are correct in your profile settings. If you're using a VPN, try disabling it temporarily. VPNs can sometimes interfere with security features that rely on geographical location. Also, try accessing GitHub from a different browser or device. Finally, if none of these quick fixes work, it's time to contact GitHub support directly. Use their Contact GitHub Support option. Explain the issue clearly, and they can investigate why codes aren't being sent. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more developer tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.